Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making this sumptuous soup known as OFE NSALA. I'll start up by putting my smoked beef into the pot with some blended fresh pepper, some salt, some Cameroon pepper, and then enough water to cook that through. I'm now going to cover and put that on the stove top and allow it to boil. I love to use different kinds of pepper. You can try that out and trust me, you will love it. So for my spices, I'm going to be blending some uziza seed with some calabash nutmeg, also known as ehuru, and then some uda seed. I'm going to blend three of them together. Then I would cut this uyayak, also known as Eden fruit or yokiriyo. I'll cut it into three and then use one part. Next, I would cut some yam that I'm going to be using. So this yam is going to serve as a thickener. Cut, peel, and then just cut the yam into cube sizes. Then I would go ahead to rinse the yam properly and transfer them into the pot of soup. After which I would also add in the yokriyo, and then I would add in some stockfish. I ran out of stockfish, hence I'm using just this pieces of it. If you have, please go ahead to use it by all means, okay? I also added in some dry fish and then some seasoning cubes. I'll stir on that and then cover and allow the yam to cook. After 7 minutes, I came back and checked on the yam and I noticed that it wasn't ready at this point. So I had to just let that take its pretty time and get ready. So ensure that you cook your yam until they are very soft, okay? At this point, they are all ready, so I'm just going to take them out of the pot and now using a mortar, I'm going to pound until I get a smooth texture. So you can use your blender to blend the yam as well, just adding a little bit of water and blend them together, okay? I pounded mine and after which I transferred them into the pot of soup. Please, when you're pounding, take your time to pound it until you get a very smooth consistency. Mine wasn't as smooth as it was supposed to be, hence I added in more water so that it will take a longer time to cook and dissolve properly. Next is to add in the spices that we blended and then also add in some ogilisi. So I dissolved that in the stock water and then just added that. You can also make use of okpei, that is ogiri okpei, but I love to use ogirisi for mine. Add in some crayfish powder, then cover the pot and allow to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then I added in more seasoning, so just taste and adjust seasonings if necessary. I then covered the pot and allowed to boil for another 5 minutes, and at this point I have gotten my desired thickness. And next up is to cut my veggies, so I'm using some utazi leaves. If you've watched this video up until now, that means you're enjoying it. So please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments below because I would be so glad to read them. And don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to. Tap the notification bell as well so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm also going to be cutting some uziza leaves. I love to use a little bit of utazi and uziza leaves as well. I just love the flavors, okay? If you don't like any of them, you can just skip that one and then use the other. It's totally fine. For the local spices that I used, you can find them in any local store or local markets around you. They sell those spices, okay? And then for these leaves as well, you can find them in the local markets or the local stores around you. So after cutting, I'm now going to transfer them into the pot, and then I would stir on these and allow to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes so that they all get to release their flavors into the soup. And after which, guys, our ofen sala is ready. Trust me when I say this soup is so sumptuous, and I hope you all get to give it a try. I'll see you all in my video next time. Bye.